Hey, what's up guys, CKid here, back with another video for you guys, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 3 XL. We're going to be setting this bad boy up, taking everything out of the box, letting you guys see everything that is in store with this. I'm also going to be rocking the Google Pixel 3 XL for a couple days just to see kind of how I like it, seeing if it's going to be something that I really want to switch over to. As you guys know from my previous videos, I'm actually rocking the iPhone XS Max. So I was actually able to get my hands on the Google Pixel 3 XL early, so why not just bring it to you guys here live on camera. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey, what's going on? This CKid, and I'm back with more hotness like a third degree. Burn, you learn the words embedded memory. I'm giving inside tech, it's like a secrecy. Now this is where I was, and this is where I will be. By showing love and likes in the comics is basic chemistry. It ain't just a thought, this is what I foresee. Now hit that subscribe button right now and make reality. Let's go. All right, now welcome back. Let's not waste any of your time. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what else comes in here. So we're gonna have sit that right there. That is the Pixel 3 itself. And then we also was given this, you are invited to the Sim-Free Life. So let's go ahead and take that out. All right, so Sim-Free Life looks like this is a way for you guys to be able to actually switch everything over, get this thing set up using no SIM card. Sit it here so you guys can see it. So there is that. Now this right here is the Google Pixel 3 XL. Now fun fact actually about me guys is I've actually never owned a Pixel device before. So this is actually going to be my first experience working with the Pixel. So I'm pretty excited to see how this is gonna be. Let's actually crack this bad boy open and let's see what it's like. We're gonna go ahead and take these little sides off. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so the color that I chose, as you guys can see here, is I chose the clearly white color. Again, they have all different kind of funky names, but this one here is the clearly white color that I chose. So this is the phone itself. We're gonna come back to this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and sit that there. Looks like we have some booklets here. We also have a SIM card pin. We have the Pixel Buds here. So they actually come in the packaging, which is a pretty nice touch. Gives you a little information about how to actually get them all set up, put in your ear. We have our charging cable, which is a Type-C cable, so there's that there. Then we also have in the packaging here, we have a little adapter, which is a USB-A to Type-C adapter. Now this is something that I wish that Apple would have included into their packaging, and that is the dongle for you guys to still be able to plug in like your headphones or anything like that to this. So that's a nice touch that they added that into the packaging. And let's see, what else do we have? I think this is going to be the charging brick. Yes, that is pretty much everything you guys are going to get into the box. So let's go ahead and push everything off here to the side. All right, so here is the phone itself. Let's go ahead and peel this plastic off. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Always satisfying. All right, so this is the Pixel here. Initial impressions, I'm extremely in love with this back. Now it does have a glass backing here, so you are going to be able to enable wireless charging with this device, which is a nice touch, which is an upgrade from the Pixel 2. If that is something that you guys are interested in, the Pixel 3 now can handle wireless charging. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Hopefully it has some juice. This is the screen right here. One last tip. All right, I think we're all good. Look at that display, guys. That is, again, I've never actually owned a Pixel 3, and I can tell you right now, this thing is lightning fast as far as opening applications. It looks pretty good. I mean, I can't complain. Again, I'm going to put this thing through its paces. Definitely stay tuned to the channel, guys. I'm going to be doing some camera comparisons. I'm going to be doing some performance, and just really putting this phone through its paces and letting you guys know, how I like it and if I'm going to be switching or not. So give me about a couple days, guys, to play with this, and I will definitely be back to the channel. But quick look, this is the Pixel 3 XL and in all its glory. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.